So as you can see, I'm going to show you how to load this up. So all you have to do is I'm going to show you here on this side, in this area. So you have to lift this up, the handle here, or lever, and then you go to the other side. Always put it in safe, of course. Just slide this up, and you have to spin the tumbler until you find where it's empty. So for instance, I have this empty here. You grab this, you have this, the hollow points and the solid one. So grab it like that, just push it. Usually it doesn't go all the way up, all the way in. So all you have to do is grab a screwdriver or something, and then push it. Once it's in, that's it. And then spin it, put the next one, spin it, put the next one until you finish. Once you finish, slide this down, pull this down, and you're ready to go. That is the way it is. Hopefully you have enjoyed this video. If you have any question, please let me know in the section below. See you next time.